Next question, very important 5-mark question. Derive the relation between drift velocity and current, or another name is called microscopic of Ohm's law. See, if you consider one metal rod or conductor, so in the conductor electrons are moving one place to another place. Suppose when electric field is moving in right to left, E, what happen? That electron is drifted. Drifted means moving slowly from one point to another point. So that distance is dx. So area of the cross section of the conductor A, you take number of electrons per unit volume N, applied electric field E, drift velocity of electron Vd, charge of an electron E, take. Dx be the distance traveled by the electron in the time dt. So dx is the distance. Already you know the formula for V velocity is equal to you can write V is equal to distance by distance or displacement by time taken. So like that, so your drift velocity. So Vd is equal to dx by dt. So cross multiply. Dx is equal to Vd into dt. Here the number of electron available in the volume of length dx. So you want to calculate the number of electron in this area, in the dx area. You want to calculate the number of electron. So the number of electron, how to calculate in that particular area? Volume into number of electron. Volume means what? Area into distance is nothing but volume. So volume of the length dx is equal to A is the area into dx is the distance. Area into distance is volume. Area into distance is nothing but volume. So this is nothing but volume. Area into distance, volume, then into number of electron n. So multiply V into dx value, already you know that one. So Vd dt. So you can substitute here dx value A, instead of dx Vd dt substitute into n. So A Vd dt n substitute. So dx value substitute here. So Vd dt n. So now the number of electron available in the volume of length dx is A Vd dt n. A is the area, Vd is the drift velocity, dt is the time taken, n is the number of electron. The total charge in the volume element. So now want to find the area, total charge of the particular distance, dx distance. So you know the formula for Q equal to Ne. From first lesson, the charge Q is equal to N into E, number of electron into charge of an electron. So Q is equal to Ne. So you know the formula. So we can write dq is equal to N, number of N. This is the number of N value, number of electron value. This number of N value. Or better you take Q is equal to Ne also you can take. So this is the number of value N. So total N, A Vd dt, N is a total N value into this E. So Q is equal to A dV dt into A. dq means what? The time changes and the charge is also changing. So dq is equal to dt. Already you know that one. You know the value. Now dq is equal to A V dt into N into E. This E formula. You substitute the value, you will get. So now dq, the current formula already you know that I is equal to dq by dt. So already you know the formula, I is equal to q by dt. Here dq by dt means changing. So dq value substitute avd dt ne by dt. Here dt dt cancel. So it will become I is equal to ne avd. So very important. The I is the current is equal to number of electron, charge of an electron, area of the conductor and drift velocity. Here number of electron and charge of an electron, area is a constant. So constant and equal remove. So I is directly proportional to Vd. So in that question, what is the relation here? The current is directly proportional to drift velocity. Very important here. Up to here, this is a 3-mark question. So if you continue, suppose we want to find the current density J. J is the current density. Density means crowding. So current density, how to calculate the current density is formula I by A. The J is equal to I by A. That is the current per unit area of cross section of the conductor. J is equal to I by A. J is equal to I by A. That means the current per unit area. Current per unit area. So now what is the unit of current density is a 1 mark question. Ampere per meter square. M power minus 2. So now you know the formula I is equal to NEAVD. You know the formula NEAVD. So substitute the value here. I instead of I. So already you know the NEAVD. Now want to find the J value. J is equal to NEAVD by substitute the value I NEAVD divided by this A cancel. So you will get what? J is equal to NEAVD. Here N and E is a constant. So we can write J is directly proportional to Vd. That is a current density also is directly proportional to drift velocity. Right. Already you know the formula drift velocity. Drift velocity from here, drift velocity is nothing but minus E tau by M into E vector. So you take this formula, Vd is equal to minus E tau M into E vector. Now with this Vd value substitute here in J formula. So J is equal to N E. The Vd value what? Minus E tau by M E vector. So now you see minus N E square E into E square tau by M E vector. Here N E square N E square tau by M is nothing but one constant. That constant nothing but it's a conductivity. Conductivity what? Conducting value. Conductivity, that is sigma. That is called sigma. So substitute minus this value is nothing but sigma E vector. So this is a very important formula. J is equal to sigma into E vector. This minus indicate the current density is opposite to electric field. That is the meaning. Right. Here sigma value is called conductivity. So it means this equation is called very, very important microscopic form of Ohm's law. So up to here 5 mark question. So if you want to write microscopic form of Ohm's law means up to here is a 5 mark. Start from here to up to here 5 mark question. Up to here is a 3 mark question. So very important. Continue the question. See. Next, resistivity. Resistivity means what? Restrict. It's to stop. Restrict. So restrict means what? This a conductivity means conducting. Resistivity means it's opposite word. It's a restrict. So it's a resistivity is nothing but inverse of conductivity. See, inverse of conductivity is nothing but resistivity. Conductivity value you know that one Ne square tau by M. So it's nothing but it's a reciprocal. It's nothing but what? The conductivity, resistivity is nothing but M by N E square tau. It's a reciprocal of this value. It's called resistivity rho. So this the unit is ohm meter. The resistivity unit is ohm meter. Ohm's law, very, very important. The V is equal to IR. The resistance is ratio of the potential difference across the given conductor. The current passing through the conductor is what? So the resistance is the ratio of potential difference across the given conductor of current. The ratio of potential and the current is nothing but it's a what is that? Resistance of the conductor. The unit is ohm. So very, very, very important. You will get the graph. I by V is nothing but you will get straight graph because of it's directly proportional. R is a constant means what? So R is a constant means V directly proportional to I. So directly proportional means the graph will in a 45 degrees straight line only get. So it's a directly proportional. That means potential difference increasing, the current also increasing. The unit of resistance is called ohm or omega. It's simple. Resistivity, you know that from Ohm's law. The resistance is directly proportional to length. So length increasing, the resistance increasing. The area decreasing, the resistance also increasing. So combine the formula. R is directly proportional to L, inversely proportional to A. So now you combine. So R is equal to, if you want to remove the symbol, so equal one constant. That constant is nothing but resistivity rho. So rho is equal to cross multiply RA by L. So rho is equal to RA by L. Here also the unit is ohm meter. Both also correct. So this is from microscopic constant, microscopic method. This is from Ohm's law method. So both also correct. Rho is equal to RA by L. So very important topics you learn. Write your classwork note. All the question up to here. So copy in your classwork note.